welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So in this video I'm going to show you 5 easy to go hairstyle for short hair. So without wasting time, let's get started.
Oh, can you feel it? Oh, bigger than the sky. Oh, can you hear it? Oh, see it in my eyes.
I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans. I see oceans. I see oceans.
Oh, can you feel it? Oh, bigger than the sky. Oh, can you feel it?
We're working on it.
See it in my eyes.
I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans. I see oceans. I see oceans. I see oceans. We're working on it. Working on it. We're working on it. Working on it. We're working on it. We're working on it. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans. I see oceans. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans inside your I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans inside your eyes. I see oceans. I see oceans. I see oceans.
So these were the 5 easy to go hairstyle by me. I hope you liked this video. Do share, like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss a video. I'll come back with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay healthy, love you all.